This is the second video to our first Rustic Patina video. Please check out that one. There is a link in the comments below. In this video, all I'm showing is how to apply the rust onto your piece of furniture. Keep in mind that when you are adding the rust in certain areas, you want it to be not uniform. You want it to be slightly random. Make sure that your patterns do not end up in little clumps, kind of spread it out. Also, with your coloring, with the paint where the rust patterns are taking place, keep in mind that that's where you should be adding your turquoise and your lime green streaks, because that's usually how a rust pattern works. Where the rust is, that's where the colors come in. The recipe for the rust in this will give it a layered feel, a textural feel. This is not a smooth finish. So once you get your rust the way you want it and you're done with the painting of the piece, make sure you still seal over it with a clear coat, water-based product. And that way it'll still be protected, your rust will be protected, but keep in mind this is not smooth to the touch, giving it a very unique feel, something very different, and also just fun and overall exciting. Notice how I start with the bronze dark undertone rust first, and then it will really make your copper pop over that and give it that three-dimensional look. Use the yellow sparingly. It is very cool looking once used properly, but if you get too much yellow, it will take away from the actual rust look. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share our posts. We'd love to keep you informed of new pieces coming on a daily and weekly basis. Have a great day.